The Hertz DCX 165.3 is often recommended as a simple upgrade over factory speakers, delivering the trusted Hertz name at an affordable price. But before you commit, it's important to look deeper. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down what you really need to know about the DCX 165.3 speakers. First, bass response is limited. Despite being a 6.5-inch coaxial speaker, the DCX 165.3 struggles to produce strong, impactful low-end. Without a subwoofer supporting your system, you'll likely find the sound thin, especially at lower frequencies where depth and punch matter. Second, the tweeters can sound harsh. At moderate volumes, highs are crisp, but as you turn the volume up, the metal dome tweeters can become aggressive and fatiguing. If you're sensitive to sharp treble, or if your system lacks a detailed EQ, these speakers may wear on your ears over long drives. Third, they require amplification to perform well. While marketed as easy upgrades, the DCX 165.3 speakers truly come alive only when paired with a quality aftermarket amp. Running them off a factory head unit often results in flat dynamics, weak bass, and a generally underwhelming listening experience. Fourth, they lack mid-range warmth. Vocals and instruments sometimes sound recessed or thin, making certain genres like rock, acoustic, and live recordings feel less engaging. If you want full-bodied sound, these speakers alone won't fully deliver without serious tuning help. Fifth, durability under harsh conditions is questionable. While Hertz generally offers strong build quality, the DCX 165.3's lightweight cones and surrounds are more vulnerable to heat, humidity, and long-term wear compared to higher-end Hertz lines like the Cento or Energy series. Sixth, better value options now exist. Brands like JBL, Infinity, and Focal offer coaxial speakers at similar prices with smoother high-end performance, stronger mid-bass, and better long-term reliability. In a competitive market, the DCX 165.3 doesn't stand out as clearly as it once did. In conclusion, while the Hertz DCX 165.3 speakers offer a clean upgrade for budget-conscious buyers, serious compromises in bass performance, high-frequency harshness, mid-range warmth, and long-term durability mean they're not ideal for every build. Think carefully about your goals before installing them.